Morning, are you Christopher Fair?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 18-30684. Mr. Fair is on probation for indecency with a child by sexual contact. There's a motion to revoke that's been filed, and what is the announcement?
Judge, at this time, we're prepared to plead the truth for several violations.
Okay, just go through and set up the
Right.
hearing. Give me just a second. And will he waive the formal reading of that motion?
He does.
Mr. Fair, best you can, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Fair, I have before me a first amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation December 2nd of 2019 for the second-degree felony offense of indecency with a child, and that was a 10-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes.
It alleges that you violated your probation. Count one alleges that you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment and provide verification of that to probation. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count two alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours required. Is that true or not true?
True.
Count three alleges that you failed to successfully complete an approved sex offender treatment program by a licensed sex offender treatment provider. Is that true or not true?
True.
Count four alleges that you are behind in your court assessed fees as of December 9th, 2025 in the amount of $3,290. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count five alleges that you failed to immediately report to the probation officer your phone number, employment, and that you now have an email. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count six alleges that you failed to report by mail or online to the Jefferson County Probation Department for the months of February, March, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December of 2024. And then January, February, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November of 2025. Is that true or not true?
True.
Count seven alleges that you committed the new offense of possession of marijuana January 21st of 2026 in Walker County, Texas. Is that true or not true?
Not true.